Thrustmaster is a leading manufacturer of marine propulsion equipment. The company, based in Houston, Texas, designs and manufactures a variety of thrusters, including tunnel thrusters, steerable propeller thrusters, retractable thrusters, and Z-drives in the range of 35 to 1,000 horsepower. Thrustmaster's product lines are extremely flexible and built to your specific application. Many options and different configurations are available. Thrustmaster is a customer-oriented company. Application engineers, backed by an advanced computerized engineering design group, are striving to develop the optimum thruster solution for each application. A worldwide network is in place to provide the highest quality sales assistance and service. The Thrustmaster is our most popular product. This steerable propeller thruster is a self-contained propulsion unit. Simply stated, the unit consists of a diesel engine hydraulically powering a tiltable propeller assembly, capable of 360-degree steering without stops. The outboard propulsion unit is not a new concept. The first steerable propeller thrusters were developed in the 1920s. During the Allied invasion of Normandy, approximately 80% of all materials and supplies were brought in on landing craft powered by outboard propulsion units. The superior maneuverability of a vessel equipped with thrustmasters is unequaled. The need for a rudder is entirely eliminated. Propeller thrust can be directed at any angle. The vessel can be maneuvered in any direction at any time. It can turn within its own length, spinning on its own navel. Thrustmasters provide improved reliability. Instead of using a mechanical transmission with expensive drive shafts and gears, Thrustmaster's propeller shaft is directly driven by a hydraulic motor. Power is transmitted through hydraulic hoses from the hydraulic pump, which is directly mounted on the diesel engine flywheel housing. Unlike drive shafts and gears, Thrustmaster's hydraulic hoses dampen and isolate engine vibration and noise. Thrustmasters have extremely smooth power transmission compared to the noisy, vibrating mechanical drivetrain components of the old units. They can be maintained or repaired by an average mechanic in a minimum amount of time. Replacement components are available from hydraulic equipment distributors anywhere in the world. Exceptional propulsion control is another benefit of Thrustmaster's exclusive transmission. The hydraulic system on a Thrustmaster unit is a closed-circuit hydrostatic transmission. The pump is a variable flow design. Wash plate mechanism controls flow and direction of hydraulic fluid to the motor, thereby controlling the speed and rotational direction of the propeller. In neutral swash plate position, displacement of the pump is zero. Thus, the propeller does not turn. Without changing engine speed, the propeller speed can be controlled non-stepping from full forward to full reverse. This results in some important operational benefits. It allows for very accurate dynamic positioning. It greatly enhances slow-speed maneuverability in tight quarters. Thrustmaster's reversing capability is instantaneous, without reducing engine speed. Full engine horsepower is immediately available to stop the vessel. Typically, the vessel stops 2 to 3 times quicker than it would with conventional units. In a mechanically driven thruster, the propeller is linked to the diesel engine through shafts and gears. Propeller blockage will invariably result in drivetrain damage due to the substantial rotation inertia of drive shafts, couplings, gears, and engine flywheel. Our propeller shaft and hydraulic motor have very little rotating inertia. Our hydrostatic transmission has a pressure compensating mechanism, which will relieve the hydraulic pressure in case of propeller blockage. The propeller may display some damage, but the drivetrain remains intact. This makes Thrustmasters especially suitable for shallow water applications. A mechanically driven thruster often uses a stem support or steady bearing, which supports the outdrive from the hull. It is used to maintain alignment and restrain vibration of the outdrive. Hitting an obstruction results in thruster damage. This is the result of such a collision. Thrustmaster's kick-up mechanism is provided with hydraulic release. When a Thrustmaster hits an object, the outdrive allows itself to be forced upwards by the obstruction. The operator can tilt the outdrive down with the hydraulic control valve, and the vessel can continue on its mission. Thrustmaster offers a propeller depth adjustment option to allow for these variations in vessel draft. This elevation adjustment mechanism is available for use at any time, even while the unit is operating under full load. Thrustmaster's elevation adjustment is provided with hydraulic release, allowing the outdrive to be forced upwards in the event it hits an obstruction. Controls can be linked by mechanical cable, pneumatics, hydraulics, or electrical cable line. For special applications like this bow boat, the thruster can be controlled by radio from the towboat. Controls can also be interfaced with automatic dynamic positioning computers. Thrustmaster's unique hydraulic transmission allows the diesel engine to be mounted at any location that is optimum for the design of the vessel, not where required by conventional mechanical drive limitations. The hydraulic lines can be easily piped from engine room to the thruster area. This feature makes retrofitting and repowering of any vessel a simple job. Thrustmasters are the perfection of the old steerable propeller thrusters. They offer all of the benefits of older style mechanical units, plus the unique advantages that are only available through hydraulic power. Thrustmasters eliminate the problems with reliability and expensive repair. Thrustmasters are suited for many propulsion applications. For smaller workboat applications, the economical Workmaster line is available from 35 to 150 horsepower. By combining forward and reverse propeller motion with 180-degree steering, Workmasters provide 360-degree omnidirectional thrust. The unique non-stepping propeller speed and bidirectional control provide the same benefits as controllable pitch propellers without the maintenance problems of pitch control mechanisms. Severe propulsion applications that were once maintenance and repair problems are simple Thrustmaster applications today. When all propulsion options are considered, you will be convinced that Thrustmaster's exceptional benefits are unequaled. Let us put Thrustmaster's new technology to work for you today.